Hola amigos, bienvenidos al canal una vez más. Welcome to the channel. Oh my god, my people, I really totally forget how is driving in my country, Dominican Republic. This is crazy. This is really crazy, but let's do it. Let's go. Let's check it out this place and see what is this place about.
Plata. No, Dudu.
El Dudu.
El Dudu. El Dudu.
What is the Dudu? Luis, ¿qué es el Dudu? Habla. It's a lake. And what are we going to do over there? Jump! Are you ready? Because we are.
As a regular Dominican, when we are going to somewhere, especially when we are going to the beach, we have to make multiple stops.
Dios mío. Mira, mira, mira. Chicharrón. It's another thing that you can find everywhere that you go. You know you in the air when you're here. All the motorcycles, coconuts everywhere. Chicharrón, tostones. ¡Por Dios! Fritura, tripita.
Hola. You get. Tell me I want some cashew.
¿Cuál, Cajuil, ¿cuáles son?
Esa, la blanca,
¿A cómo son?
a 1.5.
150. Deme un sobrecito de cajuil.
¿Una quieres?
Uno. Gracias, mi amor. Bye.
30 falta.
30 more. It's 150.
Oh, I don't know. I gave you what you gave me. Let's see him.
You got 5 there?
Like you keep reaching out my hand, like.
I'm sorry. Mira, amiga. 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 ¿Eh? Perdóname. Gracias.
The drive from my city to the Dudun supposed to be about 2.5 hours or 3. We made it 5. Because we have to stop everywhere, drink coconut water, take a pictures.
This is life. This is life. Look at this. Coco llevo, coco compro, coco vendo.
Préndelo, Luis, toma. Para que tenga aire.
Entonces, van a hacer todo así. El agua y la mano. ¡Ay! No, me cayó en el pie. ¿Me dolió? Me dolió.
The whole part of the family, not the whole family, but part of the family in Gaspar Hernandez. Taking pictures, making videos, play with the drum is our especially favorite thing to do for always be late everywhere we're going. But it's the journey, not the destination. Add for a couple pictures, videos, coconut water, snapping all the way to the road, we finally made it to the Dudu Lagoon, the famous Dudu. Let's see what this place has for us and let's enjoy ourselves. The lane for get in the jumping cable was full. When I say full, was about 100 people there. We get there really late, about 2:30 p.m. and they close at 5. I really recommend if you want to enjoy yourself, jump a lot of times, multiple times. Try to be there. As you can see, it's really full and a lot of people there. In the days of the week is better to visit. We visited Friday. I guess everybody decided to go the same day as always, but I really recommend go in the weekends or get there early. Look at this view. This is the famous Dudu in Cabrera.
Es uno de los pocos lugares, Yanni, del Caribe, que la gente entra buceando a este lago y sale buceando al otro lado.
When you get here, you need to come down and you will have another side and another things and activities to do. Here is the best and my favorite thing about this area, in particular of the Dudu, and it's because I don't know how to swim. I have that little problem, and I always limited myself about go deep or go far because obviously my swimming condition. But this area, as you can see, they have a little rocks and you can handle. You can stay there close and you don't need to, like the other one is really deep and I don't feel comfortable doing that. But in this area, I love it. I enjoy more. It needs a little bit more quiet. Plus, they have a bar right there when you can have some drinks, a snack. And you can jump from there. So from over there, you can jump. Let's see. Are you ready to jump? You having fun?
Beautiful.
This is so beautiful, guys. You need to come here and come visit. Look at
Thank you for watching. Please, if you like the video, click the like button. Turn on the notification. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe for new and upcoming video. Thank you for being part of my YouTube family and see you soon. Bye.